children. So we came the last session of the lesson 2. What is the lesson name, children? Yes, microorganisms, friend or foe. Okay. So in this lesson we are going to learn the last topic, nitrogen fixation by microorganisms. Okay. Shall we go, children? Yes. See here, some bacteria are helping plants to get nitrogen. What is that big bacteria? It is a rhizobium. Can you remember this bacteria name in grade 7, children? Yes. So here where it is stored, mostly the rhizobium bacteria is found in soil that helps in fixing nitrogen in leguminous plants. So it is living in the leguminous plants. Okay, in the root of leguminous plants it is stored. Okay, it is there and attached. What it is doing, so the rhizobium bacteria is attached to the roots of leguminous plant and produces nodules. Okay, so these nodules, what is the use of it? Can you see the nodules, children? இங்க முட்டு முட்டா இருக்கா ரூட்ஸ்ல, அதனால என்ன யூஸ்? See, those nodules alone helping to fix atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into ammonia that can be used by the plant for its growth and development. Okay, it converts the atmospheric nitrogen into useful form for the plant. So that usable form, after the utilization, after the processing of usable processing into usable form, it was using for the synthesizing nutrients. Okay, yeah, that only. So here I have given clearly, they have, so rhizobium bacteria, they are producing nodules from which they are converting the gaseous nitrogen into usable form to the plants. So here a rhizobium bacteria is a symbiont. What do you mean by symbiosis, children? See, if two persons are there, they should help each other. So this is what symbiosis relationship. So here the rhizobium bacteria is helping the plant and the plant is helping the plant by giving some nutrients. Okay, so this is how the symbiosis is maintained here. And our nitrogen, our atmospheric nitrogen has 78% of nitrogen. Okay, so those are needed for, the nitrogen is needed for all living organisms to utilize the proteins and chlorophyll and vitamins. Okay, so the plants are not taking the nitrogen directly. With the help of some microorganisms like green algae and bacteria, they are using the nitrogen in form of nitrogen compounds. Okay, so certain bacteria, can you please follow me? Second para, second line. Certain bacteria and blue-green alga present in the soil fix nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert it into compounds into this usable form. Usable compounds. Then it can be utilized by the plants from the soil through their root system. Nitrogen is then used for synthesis of plant proteins and other compounds. Okay, can you understand, children? So atmospheric nitrogen usable form வந்து பிளான்ட்டுக்கு மாற்றினதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த யூசபிள் ஃபார்ம் வந்து நியூட்ரியண்ட்டாக அந்த பிளான்ட்டுக்கு தேவையான growthக்கு யூஸ் ஆகும். Okay, and when animals feeding on, whichever animals are feeding eating those proteins and nitrogen compounds, so they also may have a chance of taking nitrogen compounds. Okay, when plants and animals die, bacteria and fungi present in the soil convert the nitrogenous waste into nitrogenous compound to be used by the plant again. So if any plants and animals die, after some time it decay. Okay, then it will become a useful compound for the plant. Okay, certain other bacteria convert some part of them into nitrogen gas which goes back to the atmosphere. Okay, see, there will be some varieties. So some plant, bacteria and fungi, they will convert into usable form, but some they convert again into nitrogen and some for atmosphere. Okay, so here I have given a chart. See, atmospheric nitrogen is utilized by bacteria in the left side And see, can you please follow me? Yes. So atmospheric nitrogen, nitrogen fixing bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen. Bacteria in turn nitrogen into nitrogenous compounds, and the components of nitrogen in the soil, it was used by the plant. Okay, and the bacteria turn compounds of nitrogen into gaseous nitrogen. Okay, see how it is process is taking. Means first the bacteria is fixing the nitrogen and it is changing into nitrogenous compounds, and from the soil it is utilized by the plants, and again the compounds are uptake by the plants, animals are eating that, then nitrogen is waste from excretion and death. Okay, so this is of two types, children. And another one method of getting nitrogen is while lightning. Plants are getting nitrogen in the time of lightning also. Okay, can you understand? The first one is the bacteria, and the second one is the whatever the animals after intake of nitrogen, after fixing the nitrogen, those plants are eaten by animals, then by lightning. Okay, can you understand, children? Yes, if you have any doubt, feel free to call us. Thank you.